Moving can be an exciting new chapter in your life, but it can also be stressful, especially when relocating to or from a bustling city like El Paso. That's where 3 Movers comes in. At 3 Movers, we connect you with the best moving companies in El Paso, offering a wide range of services to make your move easier. From packing and transportation to unpacking and storage, our team ensures that your belongings are handled with the utmost care. Relocating across the state or even across the country, please don't worry. Trusted long-distance movers in El Paso can ensure your move goes off without a hitch. With services like expert packing, secure transportation, GPS tracking, and regular updates, you'll have peace of mind every step of the way. Local moves in El Paso may seem straightforward, but require careful planning and attention to detail. Choosing a reliable moving company ensures your valuables, from delicate furniture to heavy appliances, are handled with care. Our local movers know the neighborhoods inside and out, guaranteeing efficient and timely service. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more moving tips and expert advice. See you next time.